Suka Star, and in today's video, we'll be playing Ice Cream 1. I tried this game before with my little brother, but it didn't go in well. So, how about we try again?
Hello.
Okay, this is my little brother. So let's start the game. Don't mind me in the ghost mode. Okay, let's just start the game. And okay. In the next video, I will be trying with my cousins, but this time it will be in hard mode, which is going to be making me more scream more. So yeah, let's go.
I want to come.
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's just start now. Bro, what? This is so dark. Okay, let's. The sensitivity.
Is it the
Is it sensitivity? Yeah, I know. The drawer. Skip this. But if you want him to watch the full thing, download the game. But if you're scared, you can just watch the others.
I am not a scary Guys, I think I just there.
Yeah, you did, but was warning. This is a warning because I might scream or more louder.
Morning, guys.
Let's go. So we just started and we already start screaming.
We're here at the cafe. Is he here? I think Bob.
Yeah, he's a pet. What? Get the oil and that the next one will be Emily. So sure. We be cooking.
Inda.
Oh my god! That big bag is going to be there. You're just a big bag. You cannot even come here. Big bag. You were big, but that's the reason you have no big bag. That's the reason
That was so
you're so broke. That's the reason you went big bag.
Actually, I went to a
Big bag. Yeah, we know that. Big bag. Go! There ain't no way you just went up. No, you're not. Go inside! Oh my god! Go inside right now. Sorry guys, because we are so scared right now, and yeah, this is a horse. Did some bro a raindrop just went at my face? Oh yeah, just sorry about that because this is a scary game, so we might scream more louder than a microbe.
But guys, use your headphones. Those is scary, guys.
No, you're not letting them use a headphone just because it's scary. You're not. Oh, why did I went to the park? No. You're not going to the park. I accidentally tapped. This guy be our Uber driver.
See, guys, I just made a mess.
Yeah, I know. No need to announce that. Oh my god. My brother is my brother's there. This might be the worst hiding spot ever, but let's just keep up with it. Let's wait until I see Rod right there. Yep. Rod's there. Okay, Rod is there. Okay. Yeah, we know that our mom is here, and let's close the door. Let's close the door. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. Oh, a guy. Bro, let's just wait. Bro. Which one's the lever?
Guys, my mom is here.
Yeah, we know that. We can announce that, but for some reason I don't want you to announce that. This again. Pull the lever, you big bag. Okay. finally opened. Okay, but
But guys,
bro, I'm having stress.
we have a better problem.
What's even the problem, to? What's the problem?
That our power bank is low.
Bro, okay, we don't care. Bro, it's just a power bank. Yo, I know that the Ronald McDonald is gonna be there. Yo, I'm lagging. How much percent is this? 20. Okay, come here, big bag, big. Sorry, Rod, please. Bro, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I called you a big bag.
Go to the ice cream truck.
Bro, I'm sorry that I called you a big bag. Please.
Close that door!
Oh my God. Okay, guys, I might skip we're in the garden office, so I'll record again. Okay, guys, we're back in the guardian's office. Okay, I'm just sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just too scared. Okay, and oh my God, stop! Okay, he's close, I think. I might annoy him too much. Where's the Ronald McDonald? Emily be looking pretty today.
Guys,
We go. We be cooking. We be cooking. We be cooking in this. We are so cooking.
Natalie, I done my Rubik's
Okay. Rubik's Cube. Okay, he's there.
Guys, tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite country?
Okay, wait.
Guys,
All he
tell me
knows
in
is
the
about.
Guys, tell me in the comments which country is your favorite, America or the Philippines? Which one do you choose? Let me know in the comments.
Okay, wait. Okay. This is the hard part because last time we literally just got killed by Ronald McDonald had a farm. Yeah. Let's be. Ah! I don't know why I be screaming again. Where is it? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Guys, do you hear that? I think the ice cream man is laughing.
He is laughing.
Guys, I don't know why he's laughing.
Oh, why am I so stupid?
I'm so
Guys,
dumb. Sorry guys, I accidentally mixed the bad word.
Guys, what is your favorite Rubik's Cube?
Okay, let's go to the store.
In the
if you tap the go out button, I will put you somewhere else. You want that?
No.
Nah. Can old MacDonald have a farm? Just sleep!
Yeah, ooh.
Bro, it's not time for a music. Bro, that big bag. Big bag is a big bag.
Go.
Wait.
We completed the snack.
I guess go there.
What is that machine? Why has a question mark?
Go!
Go!
Go before the big bag comes. 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 Go before the big bag comes.
Go. Where is the big bag? I think the bag is here.
Please, is he near?
Is he behind us?
He ain't behind us.
I want to get some food.
We aren't getting soda pop. Go faster, you big bag.
Like a wannabe.
What?
Our haunted voice is spawning. I want to
What?
kill that party. Everything was glowing. Davi wobbling. I'm done.
Bro, what?
I'm done ice cream now. I'm killing wobbling. We're going up.
Okay, let's go to the park. We're gonna ride on the car. But first we need the thing.
But guys, if you're alone, that's okay. So you can follow parents.
Bro, what? You're gonna call your parents just to scare them? Wow. I'm done hiding now. Go hide!
Go hide.
Bro. Hi guys, this is me and my little brother. After that we died, I'll tell you something. I deleted the other things. So I'll come back in another vid, but this time I'll be with my cousins and we will
join.
yeah, and we will continue this but on hard mode. So this time I have to make it until it's 1 hour. If it reaches 1 hour or I die, I have to give them 5 pesos. I have to give them 5 pesos, my cousins and my little brother. So see you on the next video. Bye y'all.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow.
Next time.